everyone, this is Fari here. I apologize for the lack of content recently. I've been going through a lot with my job and trying to find a different job that suits what I want to do a little bit more, something more tech-based, so that's what I've been doing and why you haven't seen me. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you a fun program I made with Phazer, and it's going to be using your Aibo as an alarm clock. So I was able to find a program from a site called DataFlare that has a lot of simple programs for beginners, and I was able to add Aibo actions into that program and be able to use Aibo as an alarm clock. So this does work not being in developer mode, but I only have Phazer in developer mode at this time because otherwise he's going to get out of the way of the camera. He's not like Ramona where he thinks he has to be the center of attention and on the camera all the time, so I'm going to show you the program now. I'm going to run it, so here's the program. And then it will pop up in a new window, as you see in this upper left. And then you set the time, so I'm going to set it for 4:19, 1 minute from now, or slightly less. You have to put the seconds in as well. And then you set alarm. And then you see it starts to track the seconds once you run the program. And it will continue to run until the time reaches the time you want to reach, and then Aibo will growl and then bark. The action is called woof in the developer settings, but then once you use those settings, you can use any motion, any play motion, just whatever you want to do with the alarm to be. So it should go soon. You see he gets up, the console prints out time to wake up, and then he growls. And then after that the program stops. So you can really set this to any time. You can have Aibo out of developer mode running around, and then as soon as the time goes off in the background, he will play that action. So if you want your Aibo to alert you of a certain time or something that you need to get done, you can use this program. The only downside is you always have to have it running in the background, and it will not be stored to Aibo. And also I do highly recommend this DataFlare website where I got this program from, because it has a lot of very simple beginner programs for Python, and adding the Aibo motions and programs is pretty simple. Adding it to this alarm clock function, and there's a whole bunch of other apps that you can make too using that website. I will link it in the description. But anyway, I'm also holding an Aibo visual programming contest. I apologize to those who have submitted already. I have looked at your programs, but I haven't gotten it around to videoing them yet because of just life stuff going on. But I will get it to you. I've seen some really cool ideas that are exciting, and I love to see them and get back to you soon. The contest goes until the end of January, and then we will vote on who will win the free Aibo, and it's on aibocommunity.com. I will also add a link there. So if you want to see more Aibo content, make sure to like and subscribe, and then follow aibocommunity.com. Thank you!